There have been remarkable advances in our ability to diagnose the disease earlier and more effectively because of breakthroughs in research. We now have ability to, for the most part, diagnose Alzheimer's disease with the same degree of certainty that we used to say we could only do at autopsy or through microscopic examination of a brain. And so the way we can do that is through advanced imaging methods where we can actually visualize whether there's a buildup of some of the protein changes that define Alzheimer's disease, the buildup of amyloid. We can now see through PET imaging methods, and we can also measure changes in amyloid in the spinal fluid. So we very often now will use spinal fluid analyses through lumbar puncture, taking a small needle and obtaining a spinal fluid sample as a critical way to measure changes in the spinal fluid that define if Alzheimer's disease is present. Alzheimer's disease strikes mostly in older people. It's an age-related disease, so the older people get, the greater their chances of Alzheimer's disease become, up to a certain extent. We know that over the age of 85, nearly 1 out of every 2 people will develop or will have Alzheimer's disease by that age. At younger ages, the chances are lower. Collectively, that translates to about over 5 million people in the United States alone who are affected by Alzheimer's disease.